Very good morning, students. Welcome back to our English online class. Today we are going to see the rest of the part, the prose, a visitor from the distant land. Okay, let's start our today class. Yes, but who brought the vegetable into India? Mani asked to his father. Who brought the vegetable into India? His father replies to him. The Portuguese brought them to India. Potato was one of those vegetables. Okay. The Portuguese brought them to India. Potato was one of those vegetables. Portuguese means a people from Portugal. Okay. They brought them to India. Potato is one among those vegetables. Okay. Mani and Sylvie looked at the potato curry on their plates and quickly began to eat it. Mani and Sylvie both looked at the potato curry on their plates and fastly began to eat. Mani: wow, this potato has traveled so far. Wow, it's beautiful. This potato was traveled so long distance. Okay. Her mother said to Sylvie, careful Sylvie, don't upset our foreign visitor. Okay. Listen Sylvie, don't hesitate our foreign visitor. Okay. Sylvie pulled a long green chilli out of the curry. Sylvie removed a long green chilli in her plate. Okay. Her mom noticed that and asked to Sylvie, who is our foreign visitor? Sylvie replied to her mom, Amma, are you making fun of me? Her father answered to Sylvie, no, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chilli. Amma is not making fun. Okay. She says about the foreign fruit chilli. Okay. Okay. Sylvie's father, chilies were a very popular means well known in South America. Okay. But no one else in the world knew of this spicy fruit. Everyone know about this spicy fruit. Okay. One day a sailor named Christopher Columbus, this new sailor name is Christopher Columbus, sailed to South America. Sailed means traveled with boat or ship to South America. Her mother, Sylvie's mother, this sailor was actually looking for India. First the sailor looking for India. Okay. He wanted to buy a black pepper. He need to buy a black pepper in India. Instead, he found South America and Chile. Finally, he found South America and Chile. How sad for Columbus? Sylvie asked to her mom. How sad for Columbus? Her mother, it was a little sad, but because he went to South America. Yes, he was little upset, but he went to South America. Okay. He found the chili. It was as spicy as the black pepper. Finally, he found the new one. The chili is also as spicy as the black pepper. And so Christopher Columbus packed the chili and took it back to his country with him. Finally, he found the chili and packed the chili and took it back to his country with him. Mani asked to his father, but how did it come here? How did it come here? Okay. His father replied to him, chili was one of the things that the Portuguese brought to India. Chili also one among the things in the Portuguese brought to India. Okay. Selvi mum. In India, chili was the first brought into Goa. In India, chili was brought first in Goa, okay, and the people were learned to use this new spice in their cooking. People are learned to use the chili in their cooking. Before the entry of chilies, pepper was used in cooking. Before the chili, pepper was used in the cooking, okay. Selvi and Mani looked at the chili on their plate. Selvi and Mani, both of them, looked at the chili on their plate. Mani. Mani, how you make our food delicious? Mani took a green chili and asked it, how you make our food delicious? Delicious means it's very tasty. Selvi, what a long distance you have travelled. She think about the long distance you have travelled, okay. They shouted and quickly took a bite of the chili. Both of them shouted and quickly they took a chili and bite it, okay. This is a green chili. It's a natural one, okay. To waste you would be very bad, and so we are going to eat. Selvi said about the green chili, to waste you would be very bad. You are not bad, and so we are going to eat you, okay. Mani, it's hot and spicy. Mani bite the chili. It's so hot and spicy. These are spicy ingredients we are used in our food, okay. It's pepper, it's green chili, it's ginger, it's dry red chili, it's garlic, okay. These are spicy ingredients we are used in our food.